There we go. And it's not so awkward. I don't have to talk to you directly the whole time. All right. My name is Denise Pernula, and today we're talking about something important. We are talking about meetings. What do you think of when you think of meetings? I'm guessing that some of you have a strong reaction to that word. You probably go to meetings all the time. Do you look forward to them? Do you jump up and down with excitement when you get those emails setting the time and place? Yes, meeting time. Yeah, not so much, huh? Here's what usually happens at meetings. Everyone shows up and sits down. Then there's a scramble to find the right cable to hook up the leader's laptop. The cable is never long enough, or you need an adapter you just don't have. Sometimes people have to get up and move their seats so the hookup can be accommodated. Sometimes an AV specialist has to be sent in for support. Everyone sits there waiting. Then when the current presenter is finished and calls on someone else for sales figures or some other relevant information, they have to go through it all over again. Then when the current presenter is finished and calls on someone else for sales figures or some other relevant information, they have to go through it all over again. Unhook, re-hook up. Instructions are given for things to be done after the meeting. Send me this, figure out that. Sometimes when you leave a meeting, you're just starting your work. Meanwhile, some of the people in attendance are bored out of their minds. They're supposed to be in the meeting, but instead they're just at the meeting. A lot of them are sneaking glances at their phones, waiting for this unproductive time to be over so they can get back to their offices and actually get some work done. Meetings are boring. Meetings are too unproductive. Meetings go on way too long. Nothing significant really gets done at meetings, does it? So what's that all add up to? Inefficiency. Most of the time we're not meeting smart. But wait, maybe there's another way. What if you could show up with any device? MacBook, iPhone, iPad, laptop PC, Android phone, Android tablet, anything you commonly use, and not have to get hooked up to be part of the presentation. Would that make meetings easier? What if you could collaborate with others there in the meeting and actually work together on a document or file? Would that make meetings more productive? What if you could see what's on the main screen on your own device? Would that make meetings more useful? What if you could transfer those files after you worked on them to everybody else in attendance? What if you had your own cloud for that matter? Would that make meetings more efficient? What if everybody in the meeting could participate and easily show their work on the display at the same time? Would that make meetings more interesting and engaging? Well, now there's something that can do every single one of those things and turn meetings from a terrific waste of your time to a terrific use of your time. Introducing the VIA Collage, a collaboration hub from Kramer. VIA helps you meet smart. VIA is designed to eliminate wasted time, lack of productivity, and distracted attendees in meetings, classrooms, and presentations. VIA is the enemy of inefficient meetings. So how do we do this? First, through connectivity. You can connect wirelessly, hassle-free, no matter what device you bring. Second, through collaboration. You get something done because you can work together right then. You can produce actual work during meetings rather than afterwards or the next day. Third, through engagement. Attendees become active participants, not bored bystanders. The VIA Collage is an innovative tool that provides a common platform for all those laptops, smartphones, and tablets in real time on one digital canvas. And the leader can control all the screens on that digital canvas, which makes it perfect for use in higher education. No time is wasted with cables or complicated hookups. With VIA, you can have a bring your own device meeting with no problems. There are no hassles, no fuss, because it's wireless. It's instantaneous, you're connected. A meeting room with a VIA Collage doesn't need setup and is always ready. Here are just a few examples of the cool things that VIA can do. It can show up to 6 participant screens with their names dynamically on the display, and they all have instant access at the same time. Add another display and it can show up to 12 participant screens. How about this? You can stream a video at high resolution at full frame rate with no glitches, no lag, no frame dropout. And you can pause it, make notes on a single frame, and send it to all your meeting participants. Is that not amazing? I love that. You can also send a completed work file to everyone's computer at once so that everyone leaves the meeting with a copy of it. I should also point out that the VIA is a computer so that the apps and programs you need live right on it. That includes things like spreadsheet and presentation applications or GoToMeeting and Skype, which, by the way, you can use to integrate people who are working off-site. Not only can VIA do all that, it also has several other awesome features. As I mentioned before, everyone can watch the collaboration on their own device. The multimedia feature lets you share MP3 files, photos, and video up to 1080p at 60 Hertz. You can also drag and drop files to the cloud to share with everyone. There's a whiteboard for you to annotate, illustrate, review, edit, or highlight the current display, as well as capture the main screen on your device for individual markup. You can send a message to a colleague through the chat function. You can also share a file with one or several selected collaborators. If the leader needs to, he or she can give a participant control over his screen. And you can connect any external HDMI source, such as a camera, Apple TV, or Blu-ray. You can then display it on the digital canvas as full screen in a window or picture-in-picture, PIP. Okay, do you guys realize how many products would be necessary and how complicated it would be to accomplish all this with a typical AV system? You would need scalers, switchers, a windowing product with less than desirable presets for windowing, and the end product still wouldn't be wireless. Collaborating on the same screen would still be impossible. Sharing files with one another would require a non-integrated third-party app or software. So what's the ultimate end result of VIA's features and benefits? More efficient meetings, period. For a less demanding collaboration space, we offer the VIA Connect. The Connect is the best of its kind in the market, allowing for a wireless sharing of up to 4 displays on a single screen. And this product as well, everything is done automatically, scaling, windowing, and seamless switching. Just like its big brother, the VIA Collage, the Connect supports video streaming of up to 1080p at 60 Hertz. Pretty cool, huh? Is there any other alternative doing that for a price as low as $9.99? The VIA is designed to liberate us all from dull, pointless meetings so we can meet smarter. And if you would like to see more of the many features of both the VIA Collage and VIA Connect and try them out for yourself, please visit the VIA demo area right behind the stage. Thank you guys for joining us, and please see a Kramer representative for your own personal test drive. Have a great day.